camera.
Go.
Keep reeling. Here it comes. Keep reeling. Don't stop. Don't stop. Here it comes. Not a real big one, but... Okay, bring it on in. There we go. That reel's messed up. Here you got one.
My turn. It's my
Follow
turn,
the
Grandpa.
hook. Don't let him have it too long.
Whoa, he hit him.
So we gotta keep him.
I am.
You gotta reel a little quicker before it gets snagged. A little more. Keep reeling. Bring it all the way in. Or you want me to hook one for you first?
Hook me one, please.
Boy, what?
The boy fishing. I didn't get fish. See if I get fish. Did I get one? Did I get one? No, I didn't get one. Huh? Grandma, I snagged on a walk. What? I think you got snagged on a walk. I did? Yeah.
He
I
was
need
closer.
to go again.
Braden, he was closer.
Now it's super close.
One on.
Come on.
Two on.
Come on.
One in the hole. For some reason he can make it in the hole this way.
My turn.
Your turn.
Boop, your turn. Boop.
Oop.
I'm missing one?
You're
Oh,
missing
I thought
one.
you got one in. Did I miss one? Nope. Yes? I
Yeah.
did put one in. Huh? Put one in. See? Put one in.
You're missing one. You only did 3 throws. That's a bad one. That's a bad one. Another bad one.
Push me in. Bad though. Push my thing in there.
Oh, he got closer.
And I got closer too.
Yeah, but he's closer than you are.
You're gonna push me in. One more, yeah.
He pushed you, but his is still...
No.
It's yours. Oh, got it. Okay, let's go on this side.
Mav goes
Sure.
first. Sorry.
He already went first.
I know, but he's pretty good at this game.
Me too.
You're better at card games.
He's not.
No, he's not.
Is it bad?
He sucks at card games, but
Hey,
you
my
suck at this.
turn.
Don't move yours yet. Don't move them. Oh, too late.
I go first again.
You're still first. There, you Oh.
I can do that. That point.
Okay, Mav's turn. Don't move him till he goes.
I got a point. I got a point. I got a point.
If he makes one in, it cancels your point thing.
No, he won't.
Two. Could have been. Okay, you got to make one in to cancel the point. Okay, Brady gets to go first.
0, 0, 0, 0, 'cause I have a point.
That one. Cheater. You automatically get to be the first one next time because he cheated. Go ahead and throw.
Yes.
Doesn't matter. He gets to go first next time.
Oh, I'll push you in. He's gonna push me in. Push me in.
What are you going fishing?